Ever wanted to bring mind-blowing, sci-fi holograms into your own videos? Today, we'll be making one right here in Adobe After Effects. First, import whatever footage or image you want to use for your hologram into After Effects. Then, create a new composition that matches the dimensions of your footage. Drag your media down to the composition timeline, duplicate your footage layer. You'll right-click the layer and choose Duplicate. With the top layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Glass. Apply the CC Glass effect to the upper layer. In the Effect Controls panel, under CC Glass, adjust the surface settings. Change the bump map to your copied footage, giving it a 3D distorted look. Fine-tune the height, displacement, and softness sliders until you get a cool holographic distortion effect. It's about making it look like glass. Now, for the color, add a new solid layer. Choose a vibrant color for your hologram, like a cyan or electric blue. Make sure it goes under your effect layers. Change the solid layer's blending mode to overlay or screen. This will tint your distorted footage with the color. Almost there. Add a levels effect to your upper footage layer. Again, use the levels to further adjust the colors and how the effect looks. Focus to make the lighter colors even whiter. Now, with the top layer selected, hit the U key twice to reveal all keyframes. Adjust these values to have a short flicker and a few bursts to make the hologram look more authentic. Finally, add a touch of realism by adding an optional glow effect to your image. You can also add a nose effect to simulate the grainy look of a projected hologram. Congratulations, you've created a basic but awesome hologram effect in After Effects. Experiment with different footage and colors to create something amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more VFX tutorials.